Hello everyone, welcome to the 9th part of our Blender tutorial series. In this exercise, we will be creating a chain using Torus. Press Shift A together, go to Mesh and choose Torus. Now let us go to the top view of the object by pressing 7 on the number pad. Go to the edit mode by pressing Tab key on your keyboard. Turn on the X-ray mode here. Choose half of the vertices. Press G for geometry and X to move it in X direction. Left click to confirm. Now we have our first link of the chain. Now we need to duplicate the link to create more links. Now we need to duplicate this link. To duplicate, go back to object mode. Click on the object. Go here in the object menu and choose duplicate linked. You can also press Alt D as an alternate. I will just go with Alt D and move your mouse. If you need to move it in X direction, just press X and move your mouse slightly around here and click on the left mouse button to confirm. Now let us rotate the second link by pressing R and X to rotate it in X axis. Slightly move your mouse, or you can just type in 90 and press enter. You can just move a little more if you need. Press G, X and move a little. Left click. You can turn off the X-ray. Now create more links. Hold on Shift key and click on the object to make the selection. To create more duplicate links, just press Alt D again and X and slightly move it. Left mouse click to confirm. You can now hold on Shift key and select all the objects. Press Alt D, X and move it in X direction and left click to confirm. To make it easier, you can also go here and choose select box and select the whole, and you can make copies to any number of extent you need. To join all these links, you just need to go here to object menu and choose join. Now this is one way to create chain using Torus.